In this session, we'll look at the Cisco IP phone SPA504G. The first thing and some of the common features that we're going to look at today, the first thing you'll notice is the username and the extension associated with this phone to personalize it. Every phone has that. They're each different. If we want to call a phone, all we do is pick up the handset and dial the extension. And then over here, they're able to pick up the phone and the call is initiated. The next feature we want to look at is calling outside of our organization. The way we have our phone system configured is you dial 9 to pick up an outside line, and then the area code, and then a phone number. And then you can pick up the phone and it's initiated. Dialing a long distance call is the same, a 9 to establish an outside call, and then 800-555-1212. Don't even know where that goes. Can hit the speakerphone. That initiates a long distance call. So all calls are the same outside of our organization. Inside is just a 3-digit dial. Outside is a 9 and the area code, whatever it is, and then the 7-digit number. Another thing that we want to do is if we receive a call, we want to be able to transfer a call. So if I dialed 126, made that call, if I answered that call, now I can see that the transfer shows up here. So I could actually hit that to transfer the call and dial whatever 3-number extension I wanted to go to. So that's how you transfer a call. Another thing is to put a call on hold. So if I receive a call and I pick it up and now I want to put this call on hold, I'm going to use the hold button here. And so now I'm going to take that off so we don't hear it. So now this call is on hold. If I want to go back and I want to pick up this call from hold, I just push this button. And now I've got the caller back on the line. If I put this on hold and it's there, this is again extension 126. I could actually go to another phone. I could dial extension 126 and that would actually connect me to the call on hold. Another feature that we want to do is we want to do a park. So a park is different from a hold. If somebody calls you and you want to put them on hold to talk to somebody else, finish a conversation, and then go back and pick them up off a hold, that's one thing. But if you were to actually receive a call, you want to put it on hold because you have to go find the person and you don't know where in the building you're going to find them, then you actually don't hold the call, you put the call on park. So if I receive a call comes over here, I'm now talking to them, and I want to park the call. I hit the more button, and then more, and here I see the park button. I park it, and I have to give it an extension. It actually parked it at extension 701 for me in this case, so I didn't have to hit the extension. Now I can actually hang up here, and that call is still parked on 701, and so I can come over to another phone. Here I can see that it's parked on 701, and so I could pick up any other phone, and I could actually hit extension 701, and then I'm actually connected back to that original call. So I could have picked up that 701 from any phone. So if I found somebody on another end of the building, I could say, hey, pick up line 701. That's what they would do, and they would be talking to the user. And the last thing that I want to cover in this common features section is just call forwarding. And that is that if I actually was going to be away from my desk for a few hours or maybe a day or maybe on vacation, I might want to use this call forward answering button. And so what I would do is I'd do call forwarding, and I would send all of my calls over to extension 113. So I type in 113 and then I hit end call. Now we can see that all of my calls from extension 126 are forwarded to extension 113, so they're going to receive all of my calls. When I get done and I'm ready to take that off, I return from vacation, I just hit this button again, and now my calls are no longer forwarded. So those are the common features with the Cisco SPA504G.